Let me introduce you to the brand new Lexus LC500 convertible, the first convertible LC ever for the luxury mark. The Lexus LC range offers the best in Lexus design, scintillating performance, long-distance comfort, and premium craftsmanship. With this new flagship model, all of these characteristics can be enjoyed with the top down. It truly is a beautiful car. Up front, the convertible Lexus LC500 is immediately identifiable by its unique spindle grille and dynamic character lines. The grille incorporates a unique mesh that changes tension as it flows down to the edges. This is flanked by the signature triple LED headlamp design and the L-shaped daytime running lights. And if this is not striking enough, the indicators adorn the functional air intakes in an almost blade-like design.